Tinikan.
Oh.
Ikaw pa. Senior at saka mga bata.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for waiting. Starlux Airlines Flight JF792 bound for the base ready for boarding. Please follow the boarding sequence and in the announcement for boarding to avoid congestion in cabin. For security reasons, please prepare your boarding pass and passport open with a photo page ready for secondary document check by ground staff and cabin crew while boarding. Thank you for flying with Starlux. We wish you a pleasant trip.
Attention to all Cebu Pacific guests on flight 535 bound for Singapore. I am Kia together with my team. We're pleased to facilitate your boarding procedure. Please remain seated until your boarding group number is called. Check your boarding pass for your group number, and please have your boarding pass and passport ready for scanning at the gate. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang tawagin ang inyong boarding group number. Check ang inyong boarding pass para sa inyong boarding group number at ihanda ang inyong boarding pass at passport para sa pag-scan sa gate. Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J537 bound for Singapore is now inviting guests on their boarding group number 1. Once again, we're now inviting guests on the boarding group number 1. You may now board the aircraft to gate number 9. This boarding group includes guests with premium seats, senior citizens, person with reduced mobility and with disabilities, expectant mothers and guests.
Yan, okay na. Ano na, departure na. Thank you so much.